She gon' flirt in front of her nigga. She like, Franco, you getting bigger. I remember when you was a little nigga. I got shots like that boy Tigger. No, you don't be putting no trigger. You wanna have the bigger, but nobody. Nobody niggas said they wanna try.
You have to tell me what it is.
You don't even know my stuff. Look, Eric, you don't even know it, but what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Dick Corn 101. Back with another video today. As you can see by the thumbnail title, yes, y'all. Basically, this is gonna be me. This is gonna be my first time doing this, but it's gonna be like a mini vlog of me, just like a morning of me making a good breakfast sandwich. So I'm gonna vlog that, show y'all, right? We're gonna show.
Yep.
We're gonna make a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich.
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
A good bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, y'all. And yeah, I might show y'all me eating it. I might not. I don't know. But yeah, this is basically me cooking up. All right, y'all. So we gotta get all this stuff. We need bacon. The eggs.
Yep.
Eggs. Okay. Got the bread. The bread. Okay. Okay. The eggs. For me. We gonna need a. We're gonna need 2 pots. For me. We need both of these on. I don't know how good y'all can see, but yeah. But yeah. Can you give me the butter out?
Yep.
That's gonna be helping me out today a little bit. You know? For me. Butter, yes. A lot of these boys out here don't be cooking, but me, I cook. Well, at least breakfast. I don't be cooking that much, but I'll be cooking some a little bit. All right, so gotta do these eggs. This is bad. You're not supposed to put your eggs on the stove, but I'm doing it. So you feel me? I got the eggs on the stove. We need a bowl.
Yes, it's kind of rough in the mouth.
I don't know if I feel like washing the bowl out right now. Thanks. Can you do that? How y'all been though? I've been dropping. The last video I dropped was probably like 6 days ago. Around there. And yeah. But I've been dropping them shorts, and one of the shorts blew up. It had like 900 views or whatever. It had, that just went everywhere. That's not good. It had like 900 views, bro. I was like, yeah, that's crazy. It had like 900 views. We got 2 pans or pots going. No, pans. Wait, are these called pans? Yeah, these are called pans, right? Pans? Or pots?
They're pans.
Pans?
No, yeah. The pots are some,
like big stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think, yeah, these.
Those are pans.
Pans, I guess that's what you call them, pans. Thank you for watching that out for me. So, are you gonna eat any? Eggs? No? Yeah, so this is just for me. Me cooking for myself. And y'all ladies out there, follow me, I can cook. So, we're gonna make, for an egg sandwich, I'm gonna probably put like, and plus the bread I'm using is small, it's not gonna be big. So yeah, y'all just enjoy this. Do it like this. I'm not gonna lie to you, and I'm doing mine like this, bro. I think oven is like the easier way. But yeah. I'm gonna put 2 strips of bacon for me. I might not even use the 2 strips, but that's what I'm putting down. Okay. 2 eggs, and then cheese. Grits though. I would make it I was planning on making like all that stuff, like the corned beef hash, like biscuits, but then we didn't have any corned beef hash, so I said I'm gonna just make a sandwich. Call it a day. That's what I said. Okay, I need a spatula for the eggs and junk.
Wait, remember you said you were gonna like
Oh!
Bruh.
Oh! Yo! I spilled the eggs. Bro, okay, I'm tweaking. Because it's gonna take forever to cook. It's gonna pop it everywhere. It's gonna pop it everywhere, though. I'm trying to let them see me and me cooking. Bacon might come out a little nasty.
Did he say?
I hope it doesn't though. Okay, the eggs are right there. Bro, bacon takes a while to cook. I'm not gonna lie to you. It takes a little of a while. But yeah, y'all, give me suggestions of what other reels I could do because I need some other suggestions. I'm not even gonna lie, to do some other stuff. I just don't be knowing what to do for real. I'm not even gonna lie, this bacon's taking so long to cook. Oh my goodness. It's gonna take it a while. Oh, now I don't even know how to put this back now. Bacon takes a while to cook. Yeah, man, show them the bacon. Like, pick up my food and just show like the bacon. Like this right here. A little bit more. What are you doing? What? You want eggs now? What, you want something? What do you want?
hi guys.
Get over here, talk. What, your throat hurts?
No, I don't.
What are you weird?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, what do you want? This kid always wants something. What do you want?
Yeah. Then tell me.
Or do you want like food, man? You want food?
Chips? What kind of chips? Doritos? Onion? Sure. Yeah, there's no more. Let me check. I literally checked out getting popcorn. Okay, which one? Doritos? I need to have those. What? Tell me what's better. Oh, Lay's? Lay's? No. Oh, you tell me it's all this? Oh. And Lay's. You want Lay's? No. Oh, yeah. And you want legs. I don't even know if it's either gonna be more legs.
Bacon is taking forever to cook. I'm not gonna lie. Bacon's taking forever. Yeah. I might give y'all story time next or something. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. I always do. Okay, that's a little bit better. Yeah, what other things could we do, like video? Like with me and you. That's how I want them.
How about?
Oh, no. These are too black. But yeah, this is perfect. So yeah, just like that. That's when I watch it and I do it. You feel me? Hey y'all, what's good? So I just got done making it, like as y'all seen. I just got done making it and everything. So yeah, there's gonna be like a mini like talk / mukbang thingy. That's good. I'm not gonna lie, but this joint is good. Bacon and cheese is good, bro. This joint is banging. This joint hammer, bro. This joint hammer. This hammer. Already like my rating. It's probably like I'm trying like a 10, but I know it could be better. I could add some more mayonnaise on it. Maybe that would have made it better. But I feel like it's like an 8.5. You know? And on my eggs, I added a little bit of seasoning too, bro. But yeah, y'all. I wanted to talk to y'all a little bit. Like, I wanted to talk and just tell y'all some real stuff. So, I just wanted to talk to y'all, to my viewers and everything. I don't care how much views I have. I don't care how much I don't. I'm doing YouTube for the fun of it, and because why not? Like, I don't care what no one thinks or says about me. To be honest with you, I really don't. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is my cup of orange juice right here. But yeah, don't care what no one says or thinks. And me, how I'm gonna record, how I'm gonna do things. Oh, hammer. I can taste the seasoning in it too, like crazy. But yeah, the way I record and do things, I don't care. I'm gonna do it how I wanna do it. And I'm not gonna be like these YouTubers who record and make their stuff fake content. Like you do, like no, like you do the fake stuff, doing stuff for views, bro. No, bro. I wanna like blow up off of just plain, just like real life vlog. Like I'm not really trying to do all that crazy stuff, like faking stuff. Like my thumbnails, like nothing's gonna be fake, bro. Like everything that I'm gonna do it to make sense, and that's real life. Like I wanna blow up off of real life. It'll feel much better than faking or just acting like something. Like no, bro, I'm gonna do what I'm doing and do stuff real life. But that's how I'm doing it. I don't know about anyone else, but that's how I'm doing it. And I'm gonna live my life how I want. So I'm gonna film real stuff. I'm gonna film what I want to film. Even though some stuff on YouTube's made up, like it's fake or whatever. Bro, me, I don't care. I'm doing it. Like I said, my way, how I want to do it. I'm gonna make my stuff. Like I'd rather blow off real life than just something made up and fake, like having people know, bro, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna do it how I wanna do it. No, I will not be like doing all that. Like what the thumbnail shows, bro, that's what it's gonna be. Like what it is. I'm gonna do it how I wanna do it. But I'm mainly gonna vlog because that's what I wanna do and stuff and all that. But yeah, not too much talking. I'm sorry for talking our heads off and all that. But I hope you stayed through the entire video. Make sure you share it with a friend. I hope you liked while you were watching it. I hope you watched the whole thing. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that. And yeah, y'all. Stay blessed, stay up, and I'll catch you in the next one.